Everyone's looking for consistency. If they get a good job one month and a bad one the next, it doesn't do them any benefit. Once we figure out the best way to hang it, it allows us to repeat the job and be consistent. If I can repeat the job day in and day out, now they can bank on getting their parts in a timely manner and consistent. They don't have to check them as much. We build trust. And if there's any issues with the way we're doing it, it's easily adjustable because they're all hanging the same. And if we're able to hang more parts in the minute, we can consolidate the part, produce more parts in a day, and save money and time. A lot of parts require a prototype of a hanging process. Not all of them. There are some that can use the standard fixtures, but for some parts, there is nothing. But we'll spend up to 8 to 16 hours or more designing a fixture that works. If we get the parts today, I'll start work and get some ideas. Tomorrow I'll come in, we'll try it. If it doesn't work, we'll do it again. What usually happens is I'll do it a couple of times and then I give it to Craig and he modifies it. If it doesn't come out right, we have to modify it again. Go back to the drawing board. We have a welding shop so that we can do that without wasting anyone else's time to see if it even works. Once we give it to a sheet metal shop, if it's a really high volume, it's proven. And if it's a job that's going through regularly, then it's worth it for us to make the fixtures. If it's once a month or once a year, then we ask the customer to either cover the cost or split the cost with us on the production side of it.